Oh my goodness! This is the final. This is nutritious. It looks delicious, guys. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Hi guys, Umoto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for clicking, and thank you for always coming here to watch my videos. Guys, welcome to my kitchen. And today I am in my kitchen. I am going to cook one of my favorite dish that I used to eat back in Africa, Kenya, but you know, here sometimes it's hard to find it, but I'm gonna show you what I did. Guys, without further ado, let me show you what I'm cooking, guys, today. All right, guys, today I have frozen corn. This is frozen corn that I found from a Chinese store. It's frozen. Actually, it's cooked and is frozen. When you go to these stores, you can find them in a freezer, okay? The reason why I'm doing this, I have to defrost this in a microwave, and then I have to peel it like that so that it can make, you know, corn. So this corn is going to be a mixture of corn and beans, okay? Corn and beans that we call in Kenya githeri. Sasa kama wewe ni Mkenya, leo natengeneza napika. Leo napika githeri. Hey, iko wapi githeri ndio hii? Pia tutakuwa na waru. So it's going to be a mixture of corn, beans. Guys, I'm boiling beans here. Let me show you. These are the beans. They're boiling here. And these are the corns. You see the cup? This is where I was actually doing all this magic. And then I was peeling all the cup and I got this. And remember, this corn is already cooked, okay? But it's frozen. But I'm gonna do this, and it's going to make githeri, okay? It's gonna make a mixture of corn and beans. So I'm gonna go and finish this. I'm gonna show you how I'm peeling this. What I do this, I get a knife and make a line like this here, and then I start peeling it with my hand. I wish somebody can hold my camera. Let me see what I can do. I hope you guys can see. I tried to put my camera down here in the corner so that I can show you how I'm peeling this. This is how I get the corn. Remember, this corn is frozen. I already defrosted this one. And then what I do, I put a line here. Guys, I used to do this back in Africa, Kenya, for many years. And the reason why I'm using this corn is because I tried to find a dry corn. So I make a hole like this, a line. I can decide to use the knife all the way like this, and it comes out nicely. Look at that. Or I can decide to use my hand like this. You see, I'm peeling it. Look at that. You peel it and it goes in here, okay? But I feel like using a knife is going to be a little faster. So all you do is to go with the knife. Let me do like this, and you go like this, okay? I hope you guys can see. And this is how I'm peeling my corn. It's kind of a separation of corn from the cob. So this is how I'm doing it, okay? Guys, look at that. This is magic. This is magic. So this is what I'm gonna do with this corn, and then these are the cup right here. I'm gonna put this in our little garden kitchen so that they can kind of make manure. So I'm gonna do that. So let me finish this and show you what I'm gonna do next. Oh well, guys, this is my corn. Look at it. Look at it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wash it, okay? But before I wash it, we're gonna take this cup into our garden. So come with me, let's go to my little kitchen garden so we can pour this over there to make manure. Guys, welcome to my life, okay? So I'm gonna open my door here. Guys, it's so sunny, and it's Saturday. Actually, it's sunny, so we are going to pour this in my kitchen. This is my kitchen garden. So we're gonna throw that cup there. You see, it's going to make manure. Guys, it's windy, it's cold, it's warm actually, it's breezy. It's like you're in the beach somewhere and the wind is blowing and your eyes, I love it out here. I love it. So when I cook actually my corn and beans githeri. I'm gonna come out here and enjoy with you guys eating, okay? So let's go inside and make sure our beans are ready, okay? Guys, don't mind about my hair, my locks. It's windy, so let's go inside. Whoa, guys, come on. Oh my goodness. So I need to lock this door from my kitchen. The reason why I don't like flies coming to my house, so I'm gonna lock it. So let's go check our beans, guys. Let's go check. Boom, our beans are cooking, and I like to cover them like this so that they can keep all the moisture. And guys, you see this hole here, you can see the moisture coming out, so it helps the water that is near not to spill, okay? So this is my life, guys. Let me show you what I ate breakfast. Look at that. These are pumpkins. Pumpkins are very nutritious, guys. I ate this, me and my family, we had this for breakfast, but look what I did. I burned it. I don't know, but I don't know, for some reason I love the burned one. But I burned it, but I have a couple for maybe a snack. But I'm telling you, this pumpkin is everything. And you know what I'm gonna do with the seeds? These seeds, I am going to fry the seeds so that we can have the seeds as a snack. So I'm not gonna throw away these seeds. I'm gonna have all the nutrients that comes from pumpkin. So this was my breakfast. I'm gonna put it somewhere and wrap it and put it in the fridge, okay, until later time. But for now, our focus is beans and corn. So since I've done that, I'm gonna go wash my corn and wait for beans so that we can fry. When we're going to fry all this, it's gonna be a lot of spices and, you know, tomatoes and onions and stuff like that, and so that we can make a very delicious corn beans. And also we're gonna put our, let me show you. Also, we are going to add, this is potato and this is banana. These are raw bananas, guys. We're going to peel this banana and these potatoes together with the corn and the beans and the meal. Oh my gosh, it's going to be delish. I cannot wait to show you. Okay, let's wait for our beans. Then we're gonna do the whole process. Stay here. Oh my goodness, this is the final. This is nutritious. It looks delicious, guys. Yummy, yummy, yummy. My mom used to cook this githeri back in Africa. Oh my goodness. It came out beautifully, and when I was cooking, I tested it. I cannot wait, guys, for my family to test this. Look, let me come closer so y'all can see. It's a mixture of beans and corn, and I put some carrots in there, some Irish potato, of course, and then you add some tomatoes and some spices, and it all came together. Guys, I'm telling you, I am salivating here. Y'all. Let me get a spoon, y'all. Let me seriously get a spoon. Look at that. All you need is a spoon and enjoy. My goodness, guys, let me know what you think. And guys, if you need a recipe or you want to ask me like, what's your lifestyle? What did you put? Please comment below so that I can put a recipe for you so that you can prepare this amazing githeri. We call it githeri, a mixture of corn and beans. Back in Africa, we call it githeri, okay? Oh my goodness, guys. Let me know what you think of this githeri. And let me know if you are going to cook it, okay? Some people may ask, what are you going to eat with this? Of course, you can eat with a tea. I love to eat it with a tea. A mixture of milk and water, and you put tea leaves, okay? And then you eat with this. You can add sugar if you want to in your tea, or you can drink without sugar like myself, okay? Or you can have a glass of water or juice, or you can add some veggies of your kind, of your type, a little bit. Some people like to eat with cabbage, some people kales, bitter leaves, or chicha. Which I don't know how to call it in another word. Okay, so you understand. So it depends on what you want to eat with. You can even make a stew, beef stew, a chicken stew, or you can add anything really you want to eat, a side dish. Some people can add chapati here if they want to, but amazing, guys. I'm so proud of myself, and I know my family is going to thank me, guys. All right, guys, let me know if you want the recipe. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe to Umoto Lifestyle YouTube channel. And you check me out. I have so many videos that you are going to watch. Make sure you share with your family, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that you know when I'm posting another video. Guys, from my kitchen, let me enjoy my delicious githeri to you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.